Has Hollywood's golden girl, Margot Robbie, truly unlocked the fountain of youth? Or is there more to her dazzling transformation than meets the eye? Our insider look reveals Margot's stunning evolution from her breakout role as Naomi in The Wolf of Wall Street back in 2013, alongside Leonardo DiCaprio, where she captivated audiences at just 23 years old. Fast forward 16 years, and last week's Wuthering Heights premiere in London saw a radiant Margot absolutely wowing the crowd in a jaw-dropping custom Dilara Findikoglu sheer corseted gown. While she absolutely nailed her iconic turn as Barbie, the burning question on everyone's lips and sparking serious social media buzz is whether her ageless glow is down to incredible good genes or good docs. Fans are scrutinizing every detail, debating if her flawless appearance is a testament to natural beauty or the discreet magic of Hollywood's best professionals. Could it be a secret regimen, an incredible team of stylists, or a subtle touch-up that has Margot looking absolutely ageless? What do you think is Margot's secret? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the juiciest celebrity updates.
Want more Hollywood drama? Hit the bell icon for notifications.